Junior trying to play a trick on me. Junior's getting on my nerves. And what are you supposed to be? Nigga, it ain't Halloween. You are early as fuck. You got like 20 days, bro. Come on. Be serious. What are you doing with that dirty ass rusty hockey mask? Oh my God. And where's your trick-or-treat bucket? Oh, I have a sweet tooth ass. You don't even have your bucket. Come on. Where's your parents? Where's your parents? Oh, I get it. This is your first time trick-or-treating by yourself. Oh, I'm a big boy looking ass. Come on, look, you messed up when you came to the back door. You're supposed to